So today we are going to talk about operators in Python. So what are the operators? So basically we are going to talk about today arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So basically arithmetic operators are the signs or the symbols which do arithmetic operation. As you know, what are the arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, similar. These are my arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operator are the symbols which does the function of arithmetic operation. Okay. So what are the arithmetic operators? So first arithmetic operator is my first arithmetic operator is addition. It work as a addition and function is addition adding two number. Okay. My second arithmetic operator is minus and its work minus is my second arithmetic operator. Its work is to subtraction. Third arithmetic operator is into, and the function of into is multiplication. As you know all of this. Fourth operator is slash, and slash count as division in Python. This is percent sign, and we count percent sign as a modulo operator. Modulo operator. We have two or three more operators in Python. That operators are two times into. Two times into means exponent operator. OPE, exponent operator. And double slash is my floor division. I will tell you what are they, how do they work. I will tell you. Okay. So first I have to perform the function. I'm going to tell you about addition operator. Okay. So for that I will take two numbers, x equal to 20 and y equal to 10. Y equal to 10. So for addition, print x plus y. So according to the logic, these two numbers will get added and result will be 30. So it will give the result as 30. So as you can see, this given the result 30. Okay. Then second one is print x. We are talking about now subtraction. Subtraction means this minus. So x minus y. So according to the logic, it should give as answer as 20 minus 10. So it will give the answer as 10. It should give the answer 10. So it has given the answer 10. Okay. Third operator is my multiplication operator. As you all know how multiplication operator works. So we will try it like this: x into y. So it will multiply 20 into 10 and give the answer 200. As you can see, the answer is 200. Print. Now we are going to see about division operator. So for that we have to write x slash y. This is division operator, and it will give the value 2. As you can see, 2.0. It has given the value in float. Okay. It will always give the value in float value. Okay. The seventh one is my modulo operator. For modulo operator, to understand modulo operator, if we divide 20 by 10, then the remainder will be 0, because 10 divide 20 by 2 times. Okay, so remainder will be 0. So modulo operator will give the value of remainder. Print x modulo y. So it will give the value 0. As you can see, that given the value 0. So I will write here, it give remainder. Okay, the exponent, my eighth arithmetic operator is exponent. Exponent operator work like this. If we have the number like 5, if we have the number like 10, okay, and I will write this. So what will happen here? Here it will work as 10 into 10, means it will print, it will multiply 10 into 10 for 2 times, because I have written 2 here. If it is like print 10 into 3, then it will work as 10 into 10 into 10. So exponent operator is like, if you have to find the square, this is square and this is cube, so it will return the value here 100, and for this code it will return the value 100, and for this code it will return the value 1000. So as you can see, 100 value and 1000 value. Last operator is my floor division. Print for floor division is like, it will round up the value, round of the value, round of the division value. If I divide 10 by 3, it should give the answer like 3.3333, but it will not give the answer like 3.3333. it will give the answer as only 3, because it will round up the value. As you can see, it has given the value 3. So this was all about my arithmetic operators.